Now let us move on to the first question in the exercise. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeters, what will be the area of the signal board? So first let us write the given data. The traffic signal board is an equilateral triangle and its side is given as A. Therefore, side of the equilateral triangle is equal to A. We need to find the area of the triangle. So, according to the Heron's formula, area of the triangle is equal to square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. So here A, B, C are sides of the triangle and S is the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Since the given triangle is an equilateral triangle, so all the sides are equal. Therefore, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to A. Therefore, the semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus A divided by 2, which is equal to 3A by 2. So, let us substitute this in the Heron's formula. Therefore, area of the triangle is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus A times S minus A, which is equal to square root of 3A by 2 times 3A by 2 minus A times 3A by 2 minus A times 3A by 2 minus A, which is equal to square root of 3A by 2 times A by 2 whole cube. This gives square root of 3 by 4 A square. Therefore, area of an equilateral triangle with side A is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. In the given problem, they have given that perimeter is equal to 180 centimeters. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle with side A is sum of the length of the three sides, that is A plus A plus A, which is equal to 180 centimeters. Therefore, 3A is equal to 180 centimeters and A is equal to 180 by 3, that is equal to 60 centimeters. So now we substitute the value of A in the formula for the area of an equilateral triangle. So we have area of triangle equal to root 3 by 4 A square, that equal to root 3 by 4 times 60 whole square. Therefore, area of the given equilateral triangle with perimeter as 180 centimeters is equal to 900 root 3 centimeter square. Now let us move on to the second question. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meters, 22 meters and 120 meters as seen in the figure. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So let's move on to the solution. We shall first write the given data. That is, given are the sides of the triangular wall. So let the sides of the triangle be A, B and C. Therefore, from the given figure, we have side A is equal to 122 meters, side B is equal to 22 meters and side C is equal to 120 meters. So first, we need to find area of the triangle. According to Heron's formula, area of a triangle is given by square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. Here a, b and c are sides of the triangle and S is the semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So now let us find the semi-perimeter. Therefore S is equal to A is 122 meters plus B is 22 meters plus C is 120 meters divided by 2. This gives 264 meters divided by 2. Therefore, S is equal to 132 meters. Therefore, let us substitute this in the formula, that is, area of the triangle is equal to square root of S is 132 meters. Therefore, 132 times 132 minus A is 122 meters and S minus B, that is 132 minus 22 and S minus C is 132 minus 120. So we are left over with square root of 132 times 10 times 110 times 12. Therefore, that is square root of 132 can be written as 11 times 12 times 10 times 110 can be written as 11 times 10 times 12. Therefore, so 11 times 11 is 11 square, 12 times 12 is 12 square and 10 times 10 is 10 square. So we bring out 11 times 12 times 10 out of the square root. So we are left over with 11 times 12 times 10, which is equal to 1320 meter square. Therefore, area of the triangle is equal to 1320 meter square. Given in the problem, rent for 1 year per meter square for the advertisements is equal to rupees 5,000. Since we know 1 year is equal to 12 months, rent for 12 months per meter square is equal to rupees 5,000. Therefore, rent for 1 month per meter square is equal to rupees 5,000 divided by 12. Now let us calculate rent for 3 months per meter square. So that is rupees 5,000 divided by 12 times 3, which is equal to rupees 1,250. Therefore, rent for 3 months for 1320 meter square is equal to rupees 1250 times 1320, which is equal to rupees 16,50,000. Now let us move on to the third question. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, "Keep the park green and clean," as shown in the figure. If the sides of the walls are 15 meters, 11 meters and 6 meters as given in the figure, find the area painted in color. So let us move to the solution. So we shall first write the given data. The sides of the slide in the park are given in the question. So let its side be A, B, C. Therefore, the corresponding side A is equal to 15 meters. Side B is equal to 11 meters. And side C is equal to 6 meters. Therefore, A is equal to 15, B is equal to 11 and C is equal to 6. So, we need to find area painted in color. That is area of the slide in the park. Therefore, according to Heron's formula, area of the triangle is equal to square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. Here A, B, C are sides of the triangle and s is equal to semi-perimeter, which is a plus b plus c divided by 2. So now let us find the semi-perimeter. Therefore s is equal to a is 15 meters plus b is 11 meters plus c is 6 meters divided by 2, so which is 16 meters. So now we shall substitute the obtained values in the formula of area of triangle, that is square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. So that is square root of s is 16, so 16 times 16 minus a is 15 times 16 minus b, so b is 11 and 16 times 16 minus c is 6, which is equal to square root of 16 times 16 minus 15 is 1 times 16 minus 11 is 5 times 16 minus 6 is 10. So we have square root of 16 can be written as 4 times 4 times 5 times 10 can be written as 5 times 2. 4 times 4 is 4 square and 5 times 5 is 5 square. Therefore, we bring out 4 times 5 from the square root and we are left over with square root 2. Therefore, area of the triangle is equal to 4 times 5 is 20 times root 2. 20 root 2 meter square. Therefore, area of the slide painted in color equal to 20 root 2 meter square. Let us move on to the fourth question. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeters and 10 centimeters, and the perimeter is 42 centimeters. Let's move on to the solution. So let us consider a triangle. Let its sides be A, B and C. So given in the question, two sides of the triangle are 18 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Therefore, let the side A be 18 centimeters and side B is equal to 10 centimeters. And also given that perimeter of the triangle is equal to 42 centimeters. Perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the lengths of all the three sides of the triangle. Therefore, perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. Therefore, 42 is equal to 18 plus 10 plus C. Therefore, 42 is equal to 28 plus C. This implies C is equal to 42 minus 28, which is equal to 14 centimeters. Now, we need to find area of the triangle. According to Heron's formula, area of the triangle is equal to square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. Now we need to find s, which is the semi-perimeter, that is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Therefore, s is equal to a is 18 centimeters plus b is 10 centimeters plus c is 40 centimeters, as we have found above, divided by 2. Therefore, s is equal to 42 divided by 2, which is equal to 21 centimeters. Now we shall substitute the value of s in the formula for area of triangle, that is equal to square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, which is equal to square root of 21 times 21 minus 18 times 21 minus 10 times 21 minus 14, which is equal to square root of 21 times 3 times 11 times 7, which is equal to square root of 21 can be written as 3 times 7 times 11 times 7 times 3. So now we have square root of 7 times 7 times 3 times 3 times 11. 7 times 7 is 7 square and 3 times 3 is 3 square. So we can bring out 7 times 3 of the square root and we are left over with square root of 11, which is equal to 21 times square root of 11. Therefore, area of the triangle is equal to 21 times square root of 11 centimeter square. Now let us move on to the fifth question. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeters. Find its area. So let's move to the solution. So let us consider a triangle. Let its sides be A, B and C. So in the given question, sides of the triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25. Therefore, let the sides be side A is equal to 12K, side B is equal to 17K and side C is equal to 25K. Also given in the question that perimeter of the triangle is equal to 540 centimeters. Perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the lengths of all the three sides of the triangle. Therefore, perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. So in the given question, perimeter is 540 centimeters, which is equal to, since we have taken A is equal to 12K plus B is equal to 17K plus C is equal to 25K. Therefore, 540 centimeters is equal to 54K. This implies K is equal to 540 divided by 54, which is equal to 10. Therefore, the actual lengths of the sides of the triangle are, therefore, side A is equal to 12K, which is equal to 12 times 10, that is 120 centimeters. Side B is equal to 17K, which is 17 times 10, that is equal to 170 centimeters. Side C is equal to 25K, which is equal to 25 times 10, that is 250 centimeters. Now we need to find area of the triangle. According to Heron's formula, area of the triangle is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Here A, B, C are sides of the triangle and S is the semi-perimeter, which is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So now let us find the semi-perimeter, that is S is equal to 120 plus 170 plus 250 divided by 2, which is equal to 540 divided by 2. Therefore, S is equal to 270 centimeters. Now, let us substitute the value of S and the sides of the triangle in the formula. Area of the triangle is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, which is equal to square root of 270 times 270 minus 120 times 270 minus 170 times 270 minus 250, which is equal to square root of 270 times 150 times 100 times 20, which is equal to square root of 270 can be written as 9 times 30 times 150 can be written as 5 times 30 and 100 can be written as 5 times 20 times 20. So, which is equal to, since 9 is equal to 3 times 3, that is 3 square, we bring out 3 from the square root, and 30 times 30 is 30 square, so we bring out 30 times 20 times 20 is 20 square, so we bring out 20, and 5 times 5 is 5 square, so we bring out 5. So it is 3 times 30 times 20 times 5, which is equal to 9000 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the triangle is equal to 9000 centimeter square. Now let us move on to the sixth question. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeters and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle. So let's move on to the solution. So let us take an isosceles triangle. Let its sides be A, B and C. So given equal sides of the isosceles triangle, that is from the figure, A is equal to B is equal to 12 centimeters and also perimeter of the triangle is equal to 30 centimeters. So we know that the perimeter of the triangle is the sum of the lengths of all the three sides of the triangle. Therefore, perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. Therefore, 30 centimeters is equal to A and B are equal and they are equal to 12 centimeters. Therefore, 12 plus C. Therefore, 30 is equal to 24 plus C. This implies C is equal to 6 centimeters. Now, we need to find area of the triangle. According to Heron's formula, area of the triangle is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Here A, B, C are sides of the triangle and S is equal to the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So now let's find the semi-perimeter, that is S is equal to 12 plus 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 30 divided by 2, which is 15 centimeters. Now we shall substitute the value of S in the formula of area of the triangle, that is equal to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, which is equal to square root of 15 times 15 minus 12 times 15 minus 12 times 15 minus 6, which is equal to square root of 15 times 3 times 3 times 9. So this is equal to square root of 15 times 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 9 square. Therefore, we can bring out 9 from the square root and we are left over with 9 times square root of 15. Therefore, area of the isosceles triangle is equal to 9 root 15 centimeters square.